How to activate Lowe's credit card online. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. So starting off, go ahead and open up a browser that you prefer. In the search bar, search for Lowe's credit card. Scroll down and you have to select My Lowe's credit card. Make sure that it is from the official website. You'll be redirected to the official website of Lowe's. Now, the first step is to sign in to your account. Select the option of Sign In at the top. Once you tap on it, go ahead and select the option of Sign In. If you are new to it, select Create Account, then create a brand new account. If you tap on Sign In, you have to enter the credential of your account. Once you have successfully signed in into a Lowe account, look for a menu option labeled Activate or Credit Card Activation. Select the option. Enter the required information, which typically includes your card number and your security code, that is your CVV. Once you enter it, follow the on-screen prompt to complete the activation process. This may involve creating a PIN or password for your card. Once all the step is completed, it will notify you if your credit card has been activated or the time duration in which your credit card will be activated. And that's it for this video as well. We hope that we were able to help you. Thank you so much for tuning in.